Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets in particular have multiple accounts, 3, 5, 7, sometimes even 10. I've seen somebody with 10 accounts, but we're using one account because you guys are just starting. You don't want to put that much investment into one thing if you're not sure about it. So I'm just showing you what I'm getting for just one account and constantly being consistent. All right guys, so if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business in general, because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is absolutely fantastic. It's 80% recurring income, guys. That means that, for example, if you were interested in this $25 business, you go through the system, you pay the $25, right? I'll get 20 of those $25. All right, and every product in the system is like that, 80% recurring. There's another recurring product that's $125, you get I'll get $100. And there's also another product that's $500, I'll get $400. So everything is 80%. So that's the biggest thing that I like promoting it, because you get a huge percentage of the earnings when you promote the system. So anyway guys, that's the main reason. But let's go look at our results here, guys. We're gonna refresh the page here, see what's happening. All right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. Not a big deal at all, guys. Not a big deal at all. So what we want to do now, guys, I'm gonna show you exactly what to do to start making money. Like you see up here, this $400, $4,000 in commission so far. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. Okay guys, so first off, when you get to my you watching my video right now, right? So you'll see my video like this, right? Pause the video, come down to the description here. Now what you want to do is click on step 1, join 25 all-in-one digital business. You want to click on this link here. All right guys, all right, so you click on that link, it should take you to this page right here. Once you get to this page right here, it's just the sales page. It's just talking about how much money you can make with the system, the $25 business, and all that good stuff, right? That's what it talks about, how easy it is to make money with this system. So once you do that, guys, and decide, hey, I want to try this out, so you just click on yes, I want in, right? Click on yes, I want in. It'll take you to this video here, and this video here in particular, it just speaks on the product itself, and make sure you understand what you're purchasing here, because it's much more valuable. You're much more valuable as a customer if you fully understand what you're purchasing. You know what I mean? So yeah, they got that video to play. And once you finish with that, you'll get to a page that looks something like this here. So this page here is just essentially just buying the product itself, putting in your information, all that good stuff, right? Now one thing I want to see is $25. Now one thing I want to speak on real quick, there's a product here it's free for 2 weeks, and then it's $125. Now that $125, like I stated, 80% recurring commission, you'll get $100 of it. All right, I'll get $100 of it if it's you in particular. But here's the thing, it's 2 weeks for free if you click on my link. All right, so, and it's essentially training and all that good stuff. It teaches you and stuff. It's constantly updated. Also a content machine there where you type in, hey, give me this, give me that. It'll give you some content. All right guys, so one thing I want to fully explain here, you have to own the product to get commissions for it. All right guys, so I advise you to have this as well. Now for example, you were to come through here and get the $25 commissions, right? $25, you can stick to that if you want to. So always upgrade it anytime. But listen, if you get this right, the $25, and then somebody under you, like you get somebody to buy the product, but they buy this as well, they get this as well, they click on this as well, And once they pay the 100, once they pay the 125, you will not get that $100. So because you don't have the product, it'll go to the company. All right, so make sure you have that if you want to get all of your income. All right, guys. But you can always wait. You can always wait until later. So it depends on how you feel about it. There's also another product, like I stated before, it's $500 for the first 3 days, and you also have to have it to get commissions for it. So that $500 turned to $400 for you. Or if they wait past the 3 days, it's going to be $1,000. Now you can wait for that. Once you start getting your money up, you can just pay the $1,000, and if you want to. But if you have the money to go ahead and get it out the way, get it out the way. All right. So that's all I'm trying to say. But you could just wait and wait. The best strategy, I think, is to have this for, you know, the first 14 days. Try to get a sale. If you don't get a sale, shut it down until you, or just keep it. I don't know. All right, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, that's the product there. So anyway, we're gonna move on here, guys. So we get to this page here. We're gonna log in. Once you get through all the systems and stuff, it'll get you to this page here. And once you get to this page here, like I stated before, the Financial Literacy Academy, that's the $500 product, by the way. That turns into $1,000. All right, so when you get to this page, make sure to click on Affiliate Zone. Once you're on the Affiliate Zone page, you scroll down until you can sign up for the affiliate program here. Understand something, there are videos showing you exactly what I'm showing you guys. So you click on that sign in affiliate program, then you log into the sound card, which will take you all the way back to where we started here. Now you have your own page. All right, you won't have any money in your system yet, but you'll have your links. And we just scroll down here. Ooh, I almost showed some valuable personal information there, my bad. But you click on this. It's the all-in-one business sale letter right here. Now this is the one I've been using. You can use any one you want, but I personally use this one because it promotes the $25 commission, $20 commission, and the $100 commission. So once you have your link, all you need to do, guys, you go down here, you go back to my video here, and you'll see step 2, my lead gen secrets right here. So you just click on this right here. You click on this right here, guys, and it'll take you to this page here. Now you can watch the video if you want. Long story short, all he says is you get 100 leads every single day. They are cold leads, but they are interested in making money online. Very valuable. All right, guys. So anyway, log in. Make your account. Now you done made your account. Make sure you can get your leads. You got your lead information right here, guys. So you get them every day. You get new leads every single day. Now your email swipes, you don't. I recommend not purchasing the email swipes. You don't really need them, because I show you all kinds of email swipes myself. And you can just use those. So don't worry about your email swipes in particular. They'll be fine. I find. All right, so we're gonna go to the mailing system here. And once you click on the mailing system, boom, and you just scroll down here, and we're just gonna click on my next email here that I got in the system. Now once you have all the emails in the system, it's not much you'll have to do. So you could just pause and copy this email if you wish. And yeah, it's a very short email. It works really well. These types of email works really well. It's a very short email, and that's all you need to put in there. That's it. That's all there is to it, guys. All right, you copy this email. You can pause it, copy it. Make sure to hit perfect timing. They'll send an email around time people check their emails. So there's a better chance of them checking the email. And make sure you hit preview, and make sure your link works, guys. My link works. So make sure to do that before you send the email. And then you send the email, and then you're done, guys. That's all it takes. And understand something, I managed to make $4,000 doing this, guys. $4,000, almost $5,000 at this point. So this works. This really works. And the 4.7, it paid for itself 10 times over. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, that's all there is to it. If you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Like I showed you, links are in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.